Hello and welcome to our video tutorials series. In this video, we will show you how to change your IP address server signature. Log into our panel and click on IP addresses on the side menu. Navigate into the IP group that contains the IP address that you wish to update. Under the server signature, click on the edit icon and a dialog box will open. There is a long list of different server signatures for you to choose from. Then, select a server signature from the list and click on the Update button. Your IP address signature is now successfully updated. We hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. If you have any questions, feel free to visit our knowledge base or simply contact our support team.